nothing. Let's untie this sail. Close this. I don't have Lesa here to help me. Just my bungee cord and the tiller. But I got my life jacket on. I got my radio on in case I do fall overboard and the boat takes off without me. I could be floating around in the water and call the Coast Guard. Alright, let's see, I get us into the wind a little bit here. Let's give that a try. Trick is to get between the lazy jacks. Okay, and the one thing that I always forget is I had the main sheet too tight. So what it does is doesn't allow the boom to go up with the mainsail. So let's try that again. Tidy up your lines. That. Ow. Yeah, I know I got a lot of stuff in the cockpit. First we hit it just when all these boats are here.
Not shell, this is thankful.
This is the stuff that makes you sick, this bobbing up and down. Those boats came through here and totally screwed up my wind. I ain't playing games. I'll motor out a little bit more. Let me prep up my Genoa. Bungee cord helps, but you still gotta keep an eye on it. Alright, I'll use this. Now, my plan is to just pull enough out. I don't want it too far past. It's easier to single hand if it's not that far out. So, let's try that. Come on. There we go. Let's get around this monkey here. Come on. Wind is light. Just getting pushed around. Now I see the boys sent a message. Let's see what they got to say for themselves. Oh, pictures of them moving. All right, so there's not a lot of wind. I got to pay attention. I've been doing this, doing that, playing with my phone, and I think we're gonna tack back towards the river so we can catch up with those guys. Just like that. All right, so we're going to sail back towards the mouth of the river here and keep an eye out Got Ryan in his com-pac 25, Freedom. We have Bob in his com-pac 23, Quintanilla, and Larry is going to be coming. Well, he's going to be last on the list. He's still waiting for his family. But he's going to be in a Catalina 30, I think it is, October wind. And our smallest boat in the group is for our birthday boy, Marty. So he's in a com-pac 16 by the name of Pegasus. Thanks for the waves. So Lesa didn't want to come out overnight, and she was having a yard sale. She planned a yard sale on the Bash weekend. So I said, I guess I'm taking a boat out all by myself. And so here we are. So I brought a lot of stuff for one person. But the water, gotta stay hydrated. We'll let him get past us, and then we're gonna jibe. Jibe ho. Oh, I need a Pop-Tart. I'm probably handicapping myself because I got my sail rolled in. I guess I got that autopilot down there. One of these days I might want to try to hook it up. And get that last little bit out of it. Caught up with Bob. Wind kind of picks up for a little bit. You get a nice gust, and then it trails off for a bit. But I pulled out the rest of the Genoa, so that helps. Just when I get up over 3 knots, all these boats come by. Just like that, the wind died. Come on, wind! Yes! Wind! Bob's in there. It's such a great feeling when you go from being calmed out to wind picking up and the boat just works forward. 4 knots, 4.3. Yeet. Now we're sailing. Slam it. Where are these waves coming from? Give me 3 knots and I'm tacking. Come on, baby. All right, we're tacking. On the lead. Still making our way across the bay. But it's the wind's coming like from the direction we need to go. So we got a couple tacks. I'm really trying to squeak this one really close. Finally got the boat lined up just right and trimmed just right. Jumping around 4.6 to 4.8 knots. There was a sailboat coming up behind me pretty quick, and I was just like floundering around at 2 knots. And I finally got things dialed in. It's feeling pretty good. 4.9. Kind of staved off their challenge. I got some dumb luck here. I got the boat just right. Wow. I think this is going to be our final tack before we motor and bring her in. Sail, and we're getting close. Bob's over there. He's motoring in. Question is now, when do I decide with all these power boats zipping around me? Another happy sailboat coming out. There's Bob. Another boat there. I think Brian is out there behind me. You can see him. Oh. I forgot to turn the camera on. You're missing all the fun. We're anchored. Woo!